Hello, this is Dan Lopez of Legends Realty, doing a video walkthrough of the property located at 3054 VERBENA Drive in Deltona, Florida. This is in the Arbor Ridge community of Deltona, Florida. We'll do a quick pan of the neighborhood here. Nice quiet paved streets, sidewalks. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story, 2-car garage, single-family home. And let's go ahead and make our way inside. Okay, as soon as we come in through the front door, we are going to see the living room area immediately in front of us, dining room to our right, kitchen off to the front right. This is a 3-bedroom split plan, so your master bedroom is going to be on the left-hand side with its own bath, and the 2 additional bedrooms are going to be on the right-hand side, along with the interior utility room, and the utility room gives you access to the 2-car garage. And then of course straight ahead you got the sliders, which will take you to the backyard. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Here's your dining room area. Hallways to the other bedrooms, kitchen, living room, and let's take a look at our main bedroom first. Closet pantry, along with dual sinks, garden tub, private commode area, and your walk-in closet space. Back out to the main bedroom. And we'll come into the kitchen dinette area. Kitchen. We do have a kitchen pantry closet. There is gas in this community, so the range is gas with a microwave, refrigerators, beveled edge countertops. Going out to your utility room, very spacious, room for full-size washer and dryers. Your 2-car garage with opener. This is also where you'll find your water heater and your central heating and AC system. Back to the utility room. In the hallway, we're going to bedroom number 2. Standard closets. Bedroom number 3. And closet in here as well. And then bathroom 2. Commode. Full-size shower and tub. Back out to the sliders, which takes us into your backyard area. Got a small slab out here, back patio, short oak tree. And that concludes our video walkthrough tour. Brought to you by Legends Realty. Have a blessed day.